Here are 3 dangers on spending emotional money and 3 tips on how you can stop doing it. Watch the video. Point 3, dangers of emotional spending. You have no emergency fund. If something happens to you today, I'm not talking about health insurance, I'm not talking about life insurance. If something happens to you today and your family needs to get some quick cash to fix some stuff, you tell me. Do you have an emergency fund? I had none. None. So when I was 40 years old, I'm 41 now, which means April 2024 gone, I was faced with a situation that needed money and I had none. And I lost everything because of poor money mindset. I had no financial literacy. I was financially illiterate, and I thought that I was not able to do anything, and I was down on the floor and asking God and looking for those same people who I helped. Nobody would help. I had to move back home in my mom's house at 40 with a 14-year-old girl, and I had to say, Mommy failed. I had to watch in her eye every time I promised her it would be better. I just couldn't catch a break. However, I was so down that I had to look up to see the bottom. That was April gone. I'm telling you this because chances are you're like, I'm ready to change my life. I've done everything that I know I could do. I'm really trying, but you don't understand. Honey, listen. If you haven't done anything as evidence that to back up what you said, then all you did was believed that you were doing something, but you were not doing nothing. You were not doing nothing. If you have to close your store down because things ain't working and you didn't even put a for sale closing down sign, but you're going, I'm going to close my store down. Are you really closing your store? No, you're not. Those 3 dangers, those 3. If you don't have no backup, you are leaving your children, you are leaving your family a bill. Don't do that. Are you ready for the 3 things, the 3 tips that I learned that helped me get up from bottom? And I'm still moving, that you can do today if you want to. If you want to, let me know in the comments. Do you want to? Here we go. Hi there. Thank you so much for watching video 3 of 7. Make sure to check out video 4 of 7, where I continue to talk about the 3 different dangers of emotional overspending your money, but also the 3 different tips that I use to help me stop doing it. Again, if you want to be part of that waiting list so that you can also be part of the 11-month program where I will help you to go from here to here when it comes to spending and budgeting and all of that stuff in the group setting, make sure to fill in that Google Doc form link. Check the description below for more information, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.